Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is as common as basic math. Sounds like a distant future, right? But the challenge is here today in our very own business schools. These hallowed halls of commerce and industry are grappling with a modern quandary: how to integrate the teaching of AI into their curriculum. You see, AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's reshaping industries, altering traditional business models, and becoming a key player in strategic decision-making. It's a brave new world out there, and our business schools are trying to keep up. Yet it's not as easy as adding a new course to the syllabus. The integration of AI teaching requires a fundamental shift in approach, a rethinking of pedagogical methods. It's about not just understanding AI but about harnessing its potential, about teaching students to navigate an AI-driven landscape. So, are these institutions equipped to teach this complex and ever-evolving subject? Let's delve deeper. Harvard Business School, one of the world's most prestigious institutions, is taking an interesting approach to teaching AI. When you think of Harvard Business School, what springs to mind? A bastion of traditional business education, perhaps? Well, it's time to update that image, because Harvard is breaking the mold when it comes to teaching artificial intelligence. At the heart of Harvard's approach is a unique curriculum that's been carefully crafted to intertwine the principles of business and AI. It's not about teaching these two subjects in silos. Instead, Harvard's approach is to integrate them, to show how AI can drive business strategy, and vice versa. This interdisciplinary approach is a game changer. It's turning out graduates who are not just business savvy or tech savvy, but both. The method of teaching AI at Harvard is equally innovative. Lectures are just the tip of the iceberg. The real learning happens through hands-on projects, case studies, and simulations. Students don't just learn about AI algorithms, they get to apply them to real-world business problems. It's about moving beyond theory to practice, and in the process, fostering an understanding of AI that's deep and enduring. Then there are the success stories. Graduates of Harvard Business School are making waves in the world of AI. They're leading AI initiatives at top companies, launching AI-focused startups and shaping policy on AI. Their achievements are a testament to Harvard's approach, and a beacon for business schools everywhere. Harvard's approach is certainly unique, but how does it compare to other schools? Let's find out in the next scene as we delve into the strategy of the Stanford Graduate School of Business. Stanford Graduate School of Business, another top-tier institution, has a different take on teaching AI. Stanford isn't just teaching the theoretical aspects of AI. They're taking a hands-on, practical approach, truly embracing the spirit of Silicon Valley. The Stanford Graduate School of Business is offering innovative courses that go beyond conventional lectures. They're fostering an environment where students can dive right into the mechanics of AI, learn from their mistakes, and come up with solutions that can shape the future of business. One of the standout features of Stanford's strategy is the use of real-world examples. Students aren't just learning about AI in a vacuum, they're seeing how it's applied in the business world. They're studying case studies, analyzing real businesses, and understanding how AI can drive innovation and growth. The goal is to not just understand AI, but to see its potential and learn how to harness it effectively. Perhaps the most intriguing part of Stanford's approach to teaching AI is their collaboration with tech companies. Stanford, being in the heart of Silicon Valley, has a unique advantage. They're bringing in experts from leading tech companies to teach, mentor, and provide insights. This collaboration bridges the gap between academia and industry, providing students with a comprehensive understanding of AI. These collaborations aren't just about lectures and workshops, they're about giving students the opportunity to work on live projects, solve real problems, and see the impact of their solutions. It's about making AI tangible and real, not just a theoretical concept. Stanford's approach to teaching AI is as innovative as the technology itself. It's about understanding the potential of AI and, more importantly, how to leverage it in the business world. It's about teaching students to not just adapt to the AI-driven world but to shape it. Stanford's strategy seems promising, but how about institutions outside the United States? Let's turn our attention to INSEAD, a leading international business school, and their technique for teaching AI. INSEAD, a name synonymous with global business education, has a unique approach when it comes to teaching artificial intelligence. A key element of this approach is their unwavering focus on AI ethics. INSEAD believes that the ethical implications of AI are just as important as understanding the technology itself. They emphasize the need for future business leaders to comprehend the potential ethical dilemmas that could arise from AI applications, and to navigate these challenges responsibly and with integrity. But it doesn't stop there. INSEAD also understands that AI is not just about the technology, but also about its business applications. They strive to teach their students how to leverage AI to create business value, and to use it as a tool for strategic decision-making. They aim to equip students with the knowledge to understand how AI can be integrated into business operations to improve efficiency, drive innovation, and create competitive advantage. Finally, INSEAD takes a global perspective in teaching AI. With campuses in Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, INSEAD is uniquely positioned to provide a global view of AI's impact on business. They encourage students to consider how AI can be used to address global challenges, and to understand its implications across different cultural, social, and economic contexts. INSEAD's approach to teaching AI is, in essence, a holistic one. It's not just about understanding the technology, but also about understanding its ethical implications, its business applications, and its global impact. This comprehensive approach, grounded in their commitment to developing responsible global leaders, sets INSEAD apart. INSEAD's global perspective is certainly intriguing, but what's the larger picture? We have seen how 3 prominent business schools are grappling with teaching AI, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's begin by taking a look at Harvard Business School. Their approach to teaching AI is quite unique, focusing primarily on integrating AI concepts into existing courses. This allows students to see how AI can be applied across various business disciplines, from finance to marketing. However, this approach may not provide students with the depth of knowledge required to fully understand the intricacies of AI. It's like trying to understand the ocean by merely skimming the surface. Next, we have Stanford Graduate School of Business. Stanford's strategy leans towards offering specialized AI courses. This approach provides students with an in-depth understanding of AI, its potential, and its limitations. The upside here is that students can delve deep into the AI world, but the downside is that they might end up perceiving AI as a separate entity rather than an integral part of various business operations. Lastly, let's examine the technique of INSEAD. They have adopted a hybrid model, combining the best of both Harvard and Stanford. They integrate AI concepts into their existing courses while also offering specialized AI courses. This way, students can understand AI's application across business domains and acquire an in-depth knowledge of AI. However, the challenge with this approach is the balance between these two aspects. Too much emphasis on one could lead to a lack of understanding of the other. So, how do these approaches fare when compared side by side? Well, each has its strengths and weaknesses. Harvard's approach fosters a broad understanding of AI's applications, but it might leave students wanting more depth. Stanford's approach offers depth, but might isolate AI from other business disciplines. INSEAD's hybrid model seems to offer a balanced solution, but maintaining that balance can be a tricky task. In essence, there's no definitive right or wrong approach here. Each method has its merits and drawbacks, and the choice largely depends on the student's learning objectives and the vision of the business school. These diverse approaches show that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to teaching AI. The challenge of teaching AI in business schools is complex and multifaceted, but what does the future hold? As we look ahead, we can see several trends shaping the role of AI in business schools. One of the most significant is the growing recognition of the importance of artificial intelligence in the world of business. This isn't just about understanding algorithms or data analysis. It's about understanding how AI can be used to drive strategic decisions, improve customer experiences, and transform entire industries. Business schools will need to keep pace with this shift, ensuring their students are not only familiar with AI but can apply it in a business context. Alongside this, there's a growing need for practical applications in AI education. Theoretical knowledge is important, but it's through hands-on experience that students will truly grasp the potential of AI. Expect to see more project-based learning, internships, and collaborations with businesses that allow students to apply AI in real-world scenarios, solving actual business problems. But as AI becomes more central in business education, there are also ethical considerations to tackle. AI has immense potential, but it also raises questions about privacy, job displacement, and bias. It's crucial that business schools don't just teach students how to use AI, but also how to use it responsibly. This could mean more courses on AI ethics or integrating ethical considerations into all AI-related coursework. There's also the question of accessibility. As AI becomes a key part of business education, schools will need to ensure that all students, regardless of their background or previous experience, have the opportunity to learn about AI. This might mean offering introductory courses for those new to the field, or providing additional support for students who need it. The future of AI in business schools is certainly exciting and full of potential, but it will require a concerted effort from educators, students, and businesses alike. As we've seen, teaching AI in business schools is a complex challenge, but one that is crucial for the future of business. We've delved into the conundrum of integrating artificial intelligence in our education system, exploring the diverse strategies of Harvard Business School, Stanford Graduate School of Business, and INSEAD. Each school's unique approach provides a fascinating glimpse into the future of business education. We've compared and contrasted these strategies, highlighting the strengths and potential weaknesses of each approach. We've also speculated on the future of AI in business schools, imagining a world where AI is not just a subject, but an integral part of how we learn and work. Now it's your turn to reflect. Imagine the impact of AI on your own career or business. What role will it play? How can you prepare for this AI-driven future? These are the questions we need to grapple with as we step into this brave new world. If you found this video insightful and want to stay updated on the latest trends in AI education, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay informed,